Okay, I'm going to sharp him with the stones. So as our basic idea, if we shikomu with the 8.5 sun, can you explain? 8寸5分勾配仕込み
The angle is 8.5 soon.
We are talking about the jig,
which is
Blake.
Yeah, you know what that is. I don't remember. I don't know the angle in English.
So by the way, we make them the angle like 28, around 28. But look at this; it's much more less. So this is my trick. So I'm sharp them like 24 or 23 something. Less than, I think 22 something. Because I make them bevel, what do you say?
Double bevel?
Double bevel, yeah. So
So he
This
takes
is
a
one
low
of my-
angle to start and then gives the edge a double bevel.
yeah, it's easy to recover.
It's easy to sharpen quickly when you're trying to do work quickly.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I start from the 700 bester. I think the John already explained to you guys. Yeah. So, oh, I'm so sorry. I start from the backside. Yeah. Because every single time after I spend all of the edge, the edge, the top part of the edge condition is so bad, so I have to recover.
After you hammer the edge, the top side gets kind of wonky, so you have to
I
fix
always
the back first.
image the curve between here to here. I don't want to blade this supernatural nice curve, so control it. It's so difficult to understand from the video how much tension I'm giving them. So I can tell you equally. I'm not pushing the top part. I'm giving them equally. Make
Equal
sense?
tension all along the blade, huh?
Yeah.
Or pressure,
Also,
pressure rather.
I'm sliding this way, so this action can keep the nice curve, I think.
That way you don't get a step in the back by only putting the blade on one
like this
spot.
Then the back side, all of the back side had a foggy finishing, so I think it's reset. I think I used the finishing stone.
What are you using the finishes? What is it?
Only finish the top part, the edge.
What grit is the stone?
I think 8,000.
8,000.
8,000.
King.
Yeah, king.
Super finish. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
What do you call a burr?
Burr.
So imagine about burr. We have to always thinking about the tiny world of the edge. So because it's not seeable. We cannot see it.
Yeah.
But yeah, except we use like a nantoka scope.
Right.
Yeah.
Microscope.
Yeah. So we have to imagine what's going on in the edge. Then, if we're thinking about burr, so why don't we scratch a little bit this way? If you go this way, I guess
the burr rolls over and damages the bottom of the blade.
Yeah. So if we thinking about the perfect triangle, the edge, so there is the perfect line. But if there is some burr, and when we take the burr off, sometimes burr taking necessary part too. So that image, that's why I little bit slide this way. When I
start.
Yeah, do you see this?
The line.
Yeah, I'm not going this way. Yeah, like this.